Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essentials. Confirm cellular or Wi-Fi is active and then toggle network off and on to clear transient errors. Next, open your network settings and record current DNS and any VPN so you can revert if needed. Once done, choose a public DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 and prepare to assign it manually. This forces name resolution away from a failing provider. Make sure to disable any custom proxies that might interfere before proceeding. You now change the DNS entries step by step. On Wi-Fi, long press the network, tap Advanced or IP settings, switch to static or custom DNS fields, and enter the chosen addresses for primary and secondary. For cellular, modify the APN DNS if your carrier allows or install a trusted DNS override app and grant it the necessary permissions. While doing this, confirm IP4 versus IP6 fields match your network. Mismatched entries can prevent resolution, so double-check every value. You finish by verifying. Restart the phone and open a browser to test several domains or use a network diagnostic app to ping names. Consistent success means fix applied. If names still fail, flush the DNS cache by toggling airplane mode or clearing the browser and DNS app cache, then retest. If problems persist, revert to your original DNS, try an alternate public DNS, and check for carrier or VPN interference. That one root cause often explains stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.